Hey, it's Cheryl with juicinggardener.com, and today is a smoothie day. So I just thought I'd give you a quick look at what I made in my smoothie today, put in there. Salad. I had a lot of salad left over that needed to be eaten, and as you know, I don't like to waste anything, and I kind of make up these crazy wild smoothies based on what I have in the fridge. And this has a lot of arugula in it. Arugula is so good in a smoothie. And then I have 2 bananas buried in there, and I always freeze them. When they're starting to get, to where you just don't want to eat them, I'll freeze them. And then they are great in smoothies. And then I have a bunch of organic grapes, and then 2 more bananas that were actually fresh, or actually 1 more banana, and a ton of cinnamon, which is super for your regulating your blood sugar. And, everything in here is healthy, and you get a lot of resveratrol and antioxidants in your grapes. And of course the salads have all the greens and the phytonutrients. So, and also I have 2 boxes of coconut water. I usually don't get the little ones, but they had a sale and they were actually cheaper than the big ones. And I buy all my cinnamon bulk, and it's infinitely less expensive when you buy it organic cinnamon at the health food store out of the bins. If your store has good turnover, you don't want to get it if it's stale, but our store has really good turnover, so we buy tons of cinnamon and put it in the smoothies. So that's what we're going to do right now. I think I'll leave you on with me so I don't have to edit the video. Okay, here we go. So stand by and always make sure you're not on high speed, because you've probably seen some of my other videos that we still have banana on the ceiling. See a little bit right there? I haven't gotten on a chair to clean it off one day when I didn't leave the lid on. So here we go. Whoa! Leaking. Oh boy, too much. Do I still show you this? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to taste it with you. I overdid it. I usually go right up to the top, but I'm going to pour some of this into a glass, finish blending, and it'll blend really nicely. And I added a lot of water in there, so it'll be a nice, smooth, tasty one. I know I'll taste the grapes, the arugula, and the cinnamon. Fantastic combination. So I'm not going to keep you on while I clean up my mess and pour out, can you believe it, some of this so I can get it all in. The lesson of the day, don't overfill your vitamix. Okay, you guys, tell me what you think of this. Go down in the comment section and let me know if you think this looks like a good smoothie, or let me know what smoothies you're loving these days. And have you put rocket or arugula in your smoothies? Fantastic taste. And also cinnamon. So, okay, that's me signing off for the day. I'm going to drink this as soon as I sign off, and I know it's going to be yummy. Take care. Oh, and a thumbs up would be sure appreciated on this video. See you on the next one. Bye.